Hi, I'm Scott Mangan. Been with Whelen since 1986. I worked in our engineering staff here for 20 years, and part of that was taking the products and applying them to the emergency field. So it was a great marriage of the two. Well, anytime we use a product, it does make me feel real good that, you know what, however small it may have been, my input had something to do with that. And I'd always look at it as like, I didn't design that light. I was part of a team that designed that light. I gave a little piece of it. The person down in production that took the first prototype board and put it together was just as important. And I think that's what I really like about this, because we are all a team here at Whelen. Hi, I'm Scott Mangan. I am an EMT with Newington EMS, and we are you.